high here is this the Taxi mod fan. Again, I turn on low. With this Neutron rotary 3-speed wall control. And be showing medium and high. And then be showing factory, low, medium, and high. This thing originally had 4 lights, but they put in the LED light instead. This then could take 4 planes as well, but it has all 5 planes installed. And of course, it doesn't blow as much air as the one with 4 planes installed. It has night mobile and is silent. So that's factory low. Go to medium wall control for a bit. You'll see it's slowing down. So it means it's not dual capacitor. Now back to high with control.